Hello and welcome to another stream. So, we're up to War of the Spark. It's been a pretty decent set so far, it's been pretty fun. Hope you've all been enjoying it, but yes, we have Tezzeret, Master of the Bridge, as our promo for this stream. And yes, all cards from this are up for grabs. Anyways, let's get on to opening. I quite like him, but hopefully he finds a place. So here's the beautiful box here. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm a little bit tired. So what's everyone else's thoughts on cards at the moment? Found any that you like, or just basically kicking it? Alrighty, so let's get started. So here we have some cards. So let's get on through commons. Alright, so we have Augur of Bolas, Elite Guard Mage, Kiora Behemoth Beckoner. Ooh, and then we have Dreadhorde Invasion as our first rare. Dreadhorde's pretty good. You get a little dude to start with, and then he just continuously gets bigger. It's pretty good. I had someone try and get him to go off over pre-release, and I kept killing the token. Only as soon as it got big enough, of course. Right, so we're up to uncommons now. So we have Pledge of Unity, Emergence Zone, Jaya Venerated Fire Mage, and Time Wipe. Time Wipe's pretty good. Oh, and then we have a foil Mana Geode. So, hey mate, how you going? Well, I should probably get the name of the card and everything in there. Doesn't want to focus properly. Ah, that's a little bit better. I should probably get a better camera or a better laptop maybe. Yeah, I done a pre-release yesterday and it was so much fun. I can't wait to draft next week. So we have Rescue Sphinx. Ooh, Dovin's Veto. That's nice. Ooh. We have a Davriel Rogue Shadow Mage, and we have Bolas's Citadel as the rare. Huh. And a Nissa emblem, if anyone's chasing. I think emblems are worth like $1 each. Tokens, basically just ask and I should be able to help you out. Yeah, they're pretty good. I've been thinking about doing a mana hungry deck. God, looks like so much fun at the moment. Alright, so we have Tyrant Scorn, Bond of Flourishing, and another Jaya Venerated Fire Mage, with our rare being Living Twister. Oh. And a Zombie Army token. I should probably put those up there. Three Nissa, jeez. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. You get to proliferate, then draw a card. Proliferate's pretty fun. Spark Harvest. We have Prison Realm. Oh. Mowu, Loyal Companion. And Arlen, Voice of the Pack. Oh, and Oath of Kaya. I love that card. And a Wolf token. I think I might name this up a bit. It seems to be that I'm struggling to get the cards in there. I hope that's a bit better for you. So let's get through these commons. Good. We have another Prison Realm, Liliana's Triumph, Nahiri, ooh, Mobilized District. A friend of mine pulled one of those yesterday, and yes, it's only one box tonight, as cards have barely been selling lately, so I'm unsure whether I'm going to actually keep doing it, to be honest. My mind's not really with continuing on. We have a Vizier of the Scorpion, an Interplanar Beacon, a Tybalt, Rakish, Instigator, and we have a Bioessence Hydra and a foil Tidebearer Giant. So let me know whether you think that I should continue on with this or just drop it, because I have no idea what to do with the box openings and things like that. Alright, we have Domri's Ambush, Dreadhorde Twins, Obnixilis, The Hate Twisted, and we have, Ravnica at War. I quite like that one. Yeah, locally it's doing okay, but I've just put it so that I can sell more on eBay. But as far as money goes, it's not going so great. Alright, we have Storm the Citadel, Dreadhorde Twins, Lazotep Plating. Oh, Khan, the Great Creator. He's actually pretty decent. And if no one else wants him from the stream, I reckon I might actually put the money back and buy him for myself. Because he's quite nice. Plus yeah, that's what I want him for. Dispark, that's a really good card. Ugin's Conjurant, ooh. I quite like that. That's nice. We have Narset and Finale of Eternity. Ooh. So that's nice. So Khan's already hit modern. That's really quick. Usually people wait until the set's been released and everything, but yeah, guess I can understand with people not knowing about what the meta's going to do in modern with the new Modern Horizons coming out. I'm looking forward to that myself. Oh, another Dispark. Nice. So Dispark, Bolt Bend, another Arlen, and we have Finale of Devastation. That's actually really nice. I'm trying to think what that card is, to be honest. I don't think I know that one. Because I'm still basically learning older sets, as my format's usually standard, because it's just easier to get the cards. So we have Leyline Prowler, Devouring Helion, Kasmina Enigmatic Mentor, and the rare is Tomic Distinguished Advocate. There we go. My magic language isn't that great tonight. Oh wow, that's nice. Alright. Okay, so we have Sunblade Angel, Bleeding Edge, Price of Betrayal, and then we have Rao, Storm Conduit, with a foil Ignite the Beacon. Ooh. So there's a foil rare straight up. That's pretty good. And Rao has a infinite combo in standard at the moment. It's pretty silly. It obviously takes until 5th turn, so you've got to be able to keep him for a turn. Good luck with that, with how much Planeswalker hate there is at the moment. So obviously you don't cast him until later on. Wait until you can protect him and then get your combo underway. We have Mayhem Devil, Angrath's Rampage, Kiora Behemoth Beckoner, and then we have Narset's Reversal. Nice. Ooh, the spirits look fancy. So what's your favourite card in the set so far? I do say so far because there's obviously heaps you can do. So you're a big fan of the Citadel then. For me, my favourite's probably this card right here, Highfire. Okay, so we have Cruel Celebrant, Tyrant Scorn, The Wanderer, and then we have Tozemir, Friend to Wolves. He's pretty cool. And a 4/4 dragon. My favourite card so far is probably, I don't know, probably actually the promo for the box. Wow. How do you gain that much life? I think I'm going to have to go looking through cards, see what does that. Vizier of the Scorpion, Cruel Celebrant, Nissa's Triumph, and we have Sorin, Vengeful Bloodlord. He's pretty cool. Nice. So you play a whole deck in one turn, and that's about it. I hope there's a win condition with that. So we have 10th District Legionnaire, Rescuer Sphinx, Saheeli Sublime Artificer, and Khan's Bastion. Oh yes. Alright, so you're running it in a green-black build. I had so many people misplay this against me over pre-release. It was ridiculous. They were trying to target my creatures. Merfolk Skydiver, Bond of Revival, Grateful Apparition. Ooh, Teferi. That's nice. I really like that Teferi. Sunblade Angel, Bond of Insight, Ashiok Dream Render, and Planewide Celebration. That's pretty cool. So I think I've seen a shine from that one. I think there might be a foil in this pack. So we have Augur of Bolas, Rally of Wings, Gleaming Overseer, and then we have, Chandra, Fire Artisan. And we have Lazotep Reaver, foil. So I've pulled a couple of the good Planeswalkers at the moment. That's pretty good. So we have Rouse Outburst, Lazotep Plating, Samut Tyrant Smasher, Khan's Bastion, and a foil to Bolt Rakish Instigator. Whew, that's very nice. I think I really like that one. So, Huatli's Raptor, Firemind Vessel, Teo the Shield Mage, and then we have Narset's Reversal. This box is actually looking pretty good. There's been 2 mythics so far, which is okay. It's pretty average for a box, to be honest. Wouldn't be surprised if I don't get another. Huatli's Raptor, Dread Malkin, Mowu Loyal Companion, and Ugin the Ineffable. I think I might know someone that wants that. Nice. That's about as good as I done from those other boxes I was opening. But of course I've still got to try and get a lot more cards yet. So we have Angrath's Rampage, Godpharaoh's Statue, Saheeli Sublime Artificer, and then we have, Massacre Girl. She's actually really solid. You can really quickly board wipe with her. Running heaps of 1/1s yourself, and then, yeah, each time they die they just kill something else and then something else, and just keeps cycling on. It's ridiculous. So we have Merfolk Skydiver, Elite Guard Mage, Vraska Swarm's Eminence, and the Elder Spell. Nice. And then we have Honor of the God Pharaoh foil. That's nice. We have Cyclops Electromancer, God Pharaoh's statue, Huatli the Sun's Heart. Ooh. And we have Finale of Glory. It's actually really nice. That's 3 mythics so far. Let's see if I can catch you with your 4 mythics. So we have Jace's Triumph, Eternal Taskmaster, then we have another Davriel Rogue Shadow Mage, and we have Spark Double. Enters the battlefield as a copy of a creature or planeswalker you control. Wow. If it's a planeswalker and it isn't legendary, nice. He's actually pretty solid. 2 Teferis can be quite nice. So we have Jace's Triumph, Invade the City, Angrath Captain of Chaos, and then we have another Massacre Girl with a foil Eternal Taskmaster. Pretty nice. I do quite like that card. Sucks that he enters tapped though, and doesn't have haste. I think he'd be too good if he had haste and didn't enter tapped though. So we have Domri's Ambush, Challenger Troll, Dovin Hand of Control, and then we have a Silent Submersible. I don't really like that card. Crew 2 just to deal 2 damage and draw a card, that's not very good. Honestly, it should be an uncommon, or even a common. Storm the Citadel, Flux Channeler, Teo the Shield Mage, and we have Casualties of War. Big old board wipe. It's not the worst board wipe, but it's not the best either. We're running out of packs here. So we have Bleeding Edge, Interplanar Beacon, Huatli the Sun's Heart, and I'm not even going to try and say that, but he's the Lost. Fibulus. There we go. That's probably how you pronounce it. So we have Rouse Outburst, Tibolt's Rager, Bolt's Bend, and Vivian, Champion of the Wilds. I quite like her. She's going to be good in a blue-green creature style deck, or even a Sultai build. You could do her in one of those with the not the Rhythm of the Wilds, the Wilderness Reclamation. There you go. Having troubles with my cards these days. Tvalt's Rager, Heartwarming Redemption, Kaya Bane of the Dead, and Command the Dread Horde. Oof. Almost lost to that card. Wasn't real good. Went in knowing most of the cards and then forgot them when I needed to know them. So we have Dread Malkin, Neoform, Jiang, Yangu Wildcrafter, and Oath of Kaya. So that's 2 Oath of K's now. It's not the worst thing in the world. Down to the last 2 packs. Wonder if these packs are going to be any good though. Leyline Prowler, Price of Betrayal, Angras Captain of Chaos, ooh, Parhelion 2. I really like that card. Don't know why. And last pack. I think it's just the factor that it just keeps creating and does stuff. It's really good. Pardon me. Bond of Discipline, Gideon's Triumph, Nahiri Storm of Stone, and Blast Zone. Love that card. So it was 3 mythics for this one. So, where are we? I'll take out the foils. Mythic. Ugin. What a beast. It's a foil also. Foil. There's a fair bit of foliage happening in this one. Alright. So, for the mythics, we had 3 of the finales. We had the green one, which was yeah, Gideon is quite nice. I have one of my own. I pulled him from the pre-release. So we have the Finale of Devastation, the black one, Finale of Eternity, and the white one, Finale of Glory. And for foils, we have the Mana Geode, Tithebearer Giant, Ignite the Beacon, Lazotep Reaver, Tybalt, Rakish, Instigator, Honor the God Pharaoh, and Eternal Taskmaster. He actually looks pretty good in foil. Alright. So, rares we pulled Tamik, Distinguished Advocist, Khan the Great Creator, Ravnica at War, Bioessence Hydra, Mobilized District, Oath of Kaya, Living Twister, Bolas's Citadel, Time Wipe, Dreadhorde Invasion, Massacre Girl, Ugin the Ineffable, Narset's Reversal, Khan's Bastion, Chandra Fire Artisan, Planewide Celebration, Teferi Time Raveler, Khan's Bastion, Sorin Vengeful Bloodlord, Tozmir Friend to Wolves, Narset's Reversal, Rao Storm Conduit, Blast Zone, Parhelion 2, Oath of Kaya, Command the Dreadhorde, Vivian Champion of the Wilds, Fiblisp, The Lost, Casualties of War, Silent Submersible, Massacre Girl, Spark Double, and the Elder Spell. So basically, anything that you want, just send me a message with your list. Commons, uncommons, rares, mythics, doesn't even matter. Until next time, guys, have fun and enjoy Magic. Says